Hey guys, welcome back to 2 Minute Coder. Today we're doing today we're doing HackerRank problem lonely integer. So just take a moment to read the question. All right, so what we're gonna do here for our solution is just initialize two sets, okay, or just two lists that we are going to be using as sets. And then we go through all of our integers. So for num in A, and if set1 contains, or if num in set1, then if not num in set1, then we will add or append we can append num here, right? However, if num is in set1, then we append to set2. All right, and then we go through the nums in set1, right? And if this number, which is in set1, if not num in set2, then we will basically return this, right? So return num. Right, and let's submit the code. Great. So hope you guys enjoyed and subscribe for more.